I was once a doctor, living in a state of constant red alert, waking up exhausted and ending every day completely drained and broken inside. My mornings began with sugary cereal bowls and ended with total burnout, where even the strongest coffee couldn't fix the deep fatigue I felt. I truly understand that heavy feeling when your body simply gives up and you are just going through the motions of a life without energy. This video isn't about changing your entire world in one single night, but about reclaiming your energy through 12 silent, powerful, and very effective habits. Join me on a one-week journey to revive your tired spirits and recharge your internal batteries with science-backed steps that anyone can easily follow today. We will explore how small shifts in your daily routine can lead to a massive transformation in how you feel, think, and interact with others. Fatigue isn't just about lack of sleep. It is often driven by silent inflammation and the hidden roller coaster of your body's fluctuating blood sugar. When you eat refined sugars, your energy spikes high and then crashes hard, leaving your cells starving for fuel and your mind feeling very foggy. Instead of forcing your body to run on stimulants like caffeine, we will learn how to provide high-quality fuel that keeps your internal fire burning. We will focus on polyphenols found in frozen berries and the structural power of fiber to stabilize your metabolism and provide a very steady energy. Think of your mitochondria as tiny batteries inside every cell of your body that need the right environment to stay fully charged and highly efficient. By reducing insulin resistance, we unlock the door to consistent vitality, allowing your body to access stored energy without those painful and exhausting midday crashes. Transitioning from processed foods to whole ingredients is the first step in repairing the biological damage caused by years of poor nutritional choices and stress. Step into your kitchen with a new perspective, seeing food not as a chore or a quick fix, but as the medicine that heals you. On days 4 and 5, we shift our focus to synchronizing your internal biological clock with the natural rhythms of the sun and the earth. Your body thrives on consistency. By aligning your sleep and wake cycles, you optimize the release of hormones that govern your energy and your mood. Start your morning by seeking natural sunlight for at least 10 minutes, which signals your brain to stop producing melatonin and start producing daytime energy. Low-intensity movement, such as a gentle walk or light stretching, is enough to jumpstart your mitochondria without causing unnecessary stress or fatigue to your muscles. Preparing smart snacks like almonds or seeds ensures that you never reach for a sugary fix when your energy levels naturally dip in the afternoon. Being prepared is half the battle. Having healthy options within reach prevents impulsive decisions that could sabotage your progress and drain your precious willpower. Spending time outdoors connects you to the environment, reducing cortisol levels and helping you feel more grounded and present in your daily life and activities. Notice the beauty in the small details of nature around you, which helps shift your focus away from stress and towards a state of appreciation. As the sun begins to set, allow your home environment to dim, signaling to your body that the time for rest and recovery is approaching. Reducing blue light exposure from screens in the evening is crucial for the production of high-quality melatonin, ensuring a deep and restorative night's sleep. Try the 20-minute rule: no screens before bed. Instead, pick up a book or listen to calming music to soothe your mind into rest. Creating a sacred evening ritual helps your nervous system wind down, making it much easier to fall asleep and stay asleep throughout the entire night. Rest is not a luxury, it is a biological necessity that allows your body to repair tissues and consolidate memories for a better tomorrow and future. These 2 days are about optimization, taking the foundation you built and fine-tuning it to work in harmony with the natural world around you. Sip on herbal tea and enjoy the stillness, knowing that you are giving your body exactly what it needs to thrive in a high-stress world today. The final 2 days of our journey are dedicated to charging your soul and finding a sustainable balance that works for your unique lifestyle and needs. Journaling your thoughts allows you to process emotions and clear mental clutter, making room for new ideas and a positive outlook on your journey ahead. Remember that perfection is not the goal. Allowing yourself to enjoy a special meal with friends or family is vital for your emotional health. These happy exceptions prevent burnout from a strict routine and remind you that life is meant to be lived with joy, connection, and great flavor. Learn to set healthy boundaries by turning off non-essential notifications on your phone, reclaiming your time and your attention from the digital world's constant noise. When you control your digital intake, you reduce anxiety and create space for deep thinking and true relaxation that is often lost in our busy lives. Saying no to energy-draining social commitments is an act of self-care that preserves your vitality for the people and projects that truly matter to you. Spend time in quiet reflection, observing your thoughts without judgment, and allowing yourself to simply exist without the pressure of being productive all the time. A peaceful mind is a powerful source of energy. When you are at peace internally, you can handle external challenges with much more grace and resilience. Write down your intentions for the coming week, reflecting on the changes you've made and how they have improved your overall sense of well-being and health. This phase is about integration, bringing together the physical, mental, and emotional aspects of your health into one cohesive and very sustainable way of living. Take a deep breath and feel the difference in your body. Your breath is a bridge between your mind and your physical state of being. Look back at how far you've come in just 6 days, celebrating the small victories and the moments of clarity you've experienced along the way. Closing your journal signals a commitment to yourself to continue this path of self-discovery and health even after this 1-week intensive recharge is over. You are building a lifestyle that supports your highest potential, one small choice at a time, with patience, love, and a very deep sense of purpose. As we conclude this week, look towards the horizon with a renewed sense of possibility and the strength to face whatever challenges come your way. These 12 changes are not a temporary diet, but a sustainable blueprint for a life filled with energy, purpose, and long-lasting health and vitality. You don't have to do everything at once. Simply choosing 3 small habits to start tomorrow can spark a significant chain reaction of positive change. Your energy is your most precious resource. Guard it carefully and nourish it daily, for it is the foundation of everything you do in life. I believe in your ability to reclaim your life from fatigue and step into a version of yourself that is vibrant, focused, and truly alive. Take that first small step today, whether it is drinking more water or sleeping earlier, and watch how your world begins to transform for the better. Thank you for joining me on this journey. May your coming week be filled with light, energy, and the radiant health you deserve to have. Stay consistent, stay mindful, and remember that every small change you make is a powerful investment in your future self and your enduring happiness. Please share and subscribe to the channel. You'll receive more useful information.